What is up, you guys? Good morning, happy Friday. So today I am making a energy drink. Safe Energy, you guys, has B12. Very safe for you. I actually use this as a pre-workout. And let's just get started. You know, nobody wants to hear anybody blab. So anyway, I got hot water in this cup. Y'all, you ain't ready for this. So let me tell you the ingredients. I have some cayenne pepper. I have some Tajin. If you have low sodium, that will work also. I have sugar-free watermelon flavor. If you go to Abundant Life, you will get a healthier version. This is just what I have right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, so and then we have this is Liftoff, you guys. If you guys don't know what Liftoff is, you guys hit me up down in the comments and you guys let me know. Basically, it's energy in a tablet. This one is tropical force. Where is it? Whatever, it's tropical something. So let me just show you. Let's get started. And the reason why I have hot water, by the way, is because it dissolves a little bit faster since we're on video. So if you don't want to see all this, how it dissolves or anything, you know, I ain't a pro at YouTube or whatever. So you can just like scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. So I'm going to let that dissolve. As you can see, it's dissolving. It's a dissolvable tablet. Some people put it in their mouth and let it dissolve. I tried that a couple of times, and yeah, it was one time it was okay. The next time I was like, bleh. So I mean, if you're gonna try it, at least have something in your stomach, like maybe eat a little something, you know what I mean? So next I'm going to just let this fizz, and I'm going to prep my my blender, okay? Because we're gonna blend this. I have a cup and a half of ice, right? A cup and a half, yeah. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my watermelon flavor. Remember, it's sugar-free. This one is Time for Treats brand, I guess. I don't know. I guess that's the brand. And we are going to go ahead and we're not going to put that much. Let me see if I can get something so I can show y'all. Here we go. We're going to use 2 or 3 tablespoons. So we're going to go 1, 2. Everybody count with me. 3. Okay, I guess we're doing 3 because I got excited. All right, from here, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put 1 cup of water. I have water right here, so a little bit less, plus I have whatever's in there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and transfer this, make sure everything is like a little bit over a cup, but that's all right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Now I have this measuring spoon right here, and it literally says pinch on it. So for right now, I'm gonna do, I think I wanna do 2 pinches of cayenne pepper. Then luckily I didn't have any fake nails. That shit stuff would have came off. All right, so let me show you how I'm gonna do this then. Just gonna kind of put a pinch. Oof, hopefully that's not too hot. All right, that's about a pinch. A pinch in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. So if you don't want to see this part, again, I'm not a pro. I'm not gonna edit this. It's totally raw, I guess, or whatever. So I'm gonna put this in my blender, and you're gonna come with me. Put it in the blender, or on the blender, whatever. All right, so you wanna blend it until you get to your desired consistency. All right, so I'm gonna take the top off since it is a dissolvable tablet. I don't want the pressure of, you know, dissolve in there to get, to, you know, over fizz, whatever. So if you guys have a Vitamix, I'm gonna start this on 3 because I don't want it to be like fine, what's it called, ice. I want it to be kind of like a slushy. So here we go. All right, well, I guess it's a slushie, so it's all right. That's really good. I can't taste the cayenne. There it is. There it is. But it's not that strong, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna put you back here. Hi. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. So now that we have everything in here, it looks like this. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our cup. However it goes in there. All the slushiness. Okay. So I have this on one of my Instagrams. I forgot which one I have it on. But that's how much it's gonna make. Now, have you guys ever had those Mexican lollipops that have chile on it, but they are watermelon? They look like a watermelon and they have chile on it. That's exactly what I'm trying, not even trying, that's exactly what I'm mimicking. So for this, we're just gonna kind of look at it and see how much we want. Maybe like a half a teaspoon. That's not even half a teaspoon, but, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix it all up. Like I said, I wish I could know how to edit, but right now, I'm not gonna try just yet. All right, so we mixed it, and we're just gonna mix just a little bit more, or put a little bit more on top. And that's not even a lot, okay? And a little bit more cayenne, because we want this to pop, okay? Ooh, maybe not. But anyway, so that's it. Let me just taste it in front of you. Might as well, right? All right, so I have a straw. And I was like, you know what? I'm like so thirsty. You know, maybe I'll make something. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. It's time for my energy drink. Even though I probably don't need it, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a, like the tomato juice or whatever. I forgot what it's called. I don't even drink them. So I'm just gonna mix it because, you know, if I was selling them, I would leave this stuff on top, but since I'm gonna drink it. All right, here it goes. I may add a little bit more, oh my God. That is so good. Woo! And then you get a kick. You get a hint of the lemon. Ooh, my mouth is watering. You get a kick of the lemon, and then you get like a little kick of the cayenne, and the cayenne is not that strong, but it's so good, you guys. So if you guys make it, all you need is really like this, the Tajin. Low sodium will be better. Cayenne pepper, sugar-free watermelon flavor, ice, Liftoff, and water. If you guys want to purchase the Liftoff, let me know below. I'll get you the, well, I'll pretty sure I'll put the link on where to get it. And yeah, that's all really you need to order, unless you guys have all this other stuff and you don't have this stuff. But I'm telling you, what I would do, you know, if I were selling it, I would crush up like the little watermelon candy and just kind of sprinkle a little bit. Oh, dead. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching all the way through. If you did, you are a trooper. If you had to scroll through to the good parts, that's all right too. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please again, let me know if you tried it. I would love to hear your experience with it. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later.